Well, today I feel like some beef soup. You know, drink beef. I drink soup any time of year, day or night. Uh, I love soup. My daughter loves soup. Grandkids not so much, but anyway, I had this beef in the fridge, and I put the two pieces of beef in the pot, and I cut up pumpkin, some carrot and pumpkin, and I put can you see it? Some pimento seed. That's it. That's what I have in here. The beef. So I'll leave it there to boil for a little bit, and I'm gonna skim off all that stuff off of it. But if you notice, the pimento seed are still on the top, and I don't want to skim them off. So any froth or anything, I'll skim that off. But it just started boiling. You can see the beef is still, still not. It's still like it's raw. All right. So that's gonna cook for a while, and then I'm gonna do the food. So the pot has been boiling for a while now. Pumpkin is soft, and I want to start putting in the food. But before I start that, I generally don't cook the meat too soft yet. I want it to half cook. But I love to put my bouillon in before anything else. I want the meat to get the flavor before, the noodle. And I want it to cook and, circulate inside the pot there. Boil out, and give flavor to my pot. So I'm going to, I'm just showing you that I have the noodles here. I'll show you how I do that. Flour. I got banana. Believe me, I put banana in my beef soup all the time. Just like when I'm doing manish water. Scallion, piece of yam and potatoes and so on. I already put pumpkin, so I'm not going to put any more pumpkin. But I'm going to make the dumplings. So I've been making my flour, mixing it up, I'm going to cover it now because I'm going to peel the food. So by the time I'm done with the food, that will kind of get a little easier to handle. And when I'm peeling food, I always get a bag and just cut all the skins and put them in there and then throw it outside. As you can see, I have already peeled adding food to the pot. Got yam, corn, potato so far. Got some more potato. And I'm going to cut the bananas and put them in there. A piece of soft yam here, but I'm not putting it in the pot with the other food right now because I don't want it to mash up, So I am boiling them, half boiling them, and then put this soft yam on top. I like tough dumplings, so I'm kneading this again. I put a little more flour because it kind of gets soft when you put it down. So I'm putting a little more flour on it, and I'm gonna knead and start making my dumplings. These are made. I made a couple flat ones and some roly-poly. Certain people in this family who shall remain nameless love roly-poly. You can't make soup and I put roly-poly for them. So I'm going to put all of this food. Now this is the last, well, away from the soft yam, this is the last set of food going in there. I already put the two banana that I had and so I'm going to put them in. I wanted to find out if you guys love roly-poly too. Or you prefer the round dumplings? Which one you prefer? Post below, please, and tell me. I like my round dumplings. That's what I like. I don't mind roly-poly, but to me it's like I'm not eating real food. It's just some, Anyway, my soup is cooking, and the food is going in. I like to have a lot of soup in my soup, not as much food. Yeah, so I'm gonna put some more water in this pot anyway. But I like a lot of soup. So this is the noodle. I put 1.5 pack. I think that's quite enough. You don't need any salt after this because I also had put the bouillon. So I like to put some water in it so that I don't have lumps of, sometimes you drink the soup, you find lumps of, what is that? Yeah. So I am mixing this so that it gets rid of all the little lumps. I'm not ready to put it in there. I put it in there after I put this off yam. I have some thyme and scallion here. Mash them up, throw them on top. Remember the dumplings were on top? They all sink to the bottom, which means they're cooked. So had to take out the soft yam though because I didn't want them to mash up. Anyway, I'm gonna let this go for a little bit more. Turn it down and let it simmer. And we'll take it off. I don't have peppers, so I'll drop a nice 1 or 2 Scotch bonnet in here, but it's early. You know, we live in America and it's early. I just want to say thank you guys for watching my channel, subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and you'll get to see when I upload new videos. Hope you had a great 4th of July.